Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DRA-1360 AC 1300 mesh range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the D-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Basically, the DRA-1360 AC 1300 mesh range extender plugs into a power outlet and expands your existing Wi-Fi coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the extender packet. Inside the D-Link DRA-1360 AC 1300 mesh range extender box, you'll find the range extender unit, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. The extender comes with a built-in power plug, so no extra power adapter is needed, making the setup simple and quick. Now power up the D-Link DRA-1360. Plug the extender directly into a wall power socket, avoid extension boards. Turn on the power switch if available. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for the extender to boot. The power LED should turn solid, not blinking. A solid power light means the extender is ready for pairing. Next, put your router into WPS mode. Find the WPS button on your router, side or back panel. Press and hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS LED will start blinking. The router will stay in WPS mode for about 2 minutes, so move quickly to the next step. This tells the router to accept a new wireless device. Now pair the extender with the router. Press the WPS button on the D-Link DRA-1360. The extender's WPS/signal LED will begin blinking. Wait 1 to 3 minutes while the devices exchange wireless settings. During this time, the extender automatically copies Wi-Fi name, SSID, Wi-Fi password, and security settings. Do not unplug or press any buttons during this process. Confirm successful connection using LED light. Watch the extender's LED indicator. Solid green light means strong signal, setup successful. If the light is red or blinking, move the extender closer to the router, repeat the WPS steps again. Once pairing is successful, place the extender properly. Unplug the extender from the initial socket. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.